Hello everyone, my name is Gissel and today I'm just going to make a quick little unboxing. I did already open this and obviously I took out my address. So this originally, I don't know if you guys can see how the box is all messed up. It came like that in the mail and the airbags were, you know how these are filled with air, they were basically like this. So I guess they had a rough ride coming here. So I got 5 colors from Not Polish. Basically their Vibing in Paradise collection. I just picked up 4 colors because I didn't want all of the colors, and then I picked up a lilac color because I've been wanting one. But these two are very similar, and I'll swatch those two first. So these two are supposed to be like a lilac color or purple. Let me just close you up for a bit. And they're super similar, so I'm gonna swatch I Lilac You a Lot. And they did come with a seal. I just already took it out because I had to swatch it. I did my mom's nails today, so I actually did her in Berry Irresistible, so that'll be an upcoming video. But this one is I Lilac You a Lot. By the way, it is like 90 degrees here, so everything's setting pretty fast. So I am using a lot of monomer because I can't have this be setting fast. I need to work with it a little bit. So this one is I Lilac You a Lot, and it is super hints of purple, barely. It almost kind of like a frosted white or a frosted purple. It's a really nice color, but very light. So next up we have Berry Irresistible, and yet again it looks really light in the container. And this one is the shade that I did on my mom. So this is Berry Irresistible. It is such a cute color, and I will compare it to the other one in just a few. If you notice that my nails are white here, it's because I did an ombre and then I topped it over with gel. Yeah, I filmed it and then I didn't like it, so sorry. This did come with a seal as well. So next we have Tan Lines, which I was really excited about. So this is how it looks in the jar. Okay, so this is Tan Lines. And next up we have My Tide. So this is My Tide, and it is a really nice orange coral color, really pretty. And then we have Throwing Jade, which is the color that I originally wanted. Can't wait. Ooh, it is pretty. Oh, it's such a pretty green. So this is Throwing Jade. So these are the 5 colors that I picked up. I Like You a Lot and Very Irresistible are pretty much the same color. I can put them behind like a white background and they're pretty much the same. I would have to say that Very Irresistible, which is the bottom one, is just a little bit darker, but you could definitely build it up. These are very like pastel like colors, so if you were thinking about getting I Like You a Lot or Very Irresistible, you can't go wrong with either. Tan Lines was very surprising because it went on really pinkish nude. I expected it to be a little bit more on the nude brown side, like hints of pink, but this is like a pinky mauve-y brown, if that makes sense. It's really nice, such a unique color to my collection. I really like it. The shade is very much a soft color and really pretty to the collection. Then we have My Tide, which is completely like this perfect coral orange. I could compare it to the orange from Kiara Sky, and I will in a few, but it is beautiful. It's not super neon, but it's still bright. It's hard to explain, but it's such a gorgeous color. As you can see, comparing My Tide to Peachy Keen, which is this one, Peachy Keen is from Kiara Sky, My Tide from Not Polished. They are not the same. Peachy Keen is a lot more neon, it's vibrant and very much orange. I feel like My Tide is a little bit more of like a frosted neon color. I don't really see any marbling, but it's such a gorgeous color. Like it's more on the coral side. This one's more on the vibrant neon orange side. So if you needed a comparison, here you go. They're just different in my opinion. Like the same but different, you know, like different types of oranges, you know? I hope you understand. And then we have Throwing Jade, which is just such a beautiful green. So pretty. I love it. It is exactly what I expected and I can't wait to use this color. So this concludes this super mini not polished haul that I did for Memorial Day. What do I regret getting 2 of the same colors? Basically, kind of, yes, but 100% Very Irresistible is darker than I Like You a Lot. Let me just swatch them for you guys, like on this blue thing. So this one being Very Irresistible and this one being I Like You a Lot. Like you can already tell by just the swatches that one is just lighter than the other. So yet again, Very Irresistible, just a tad bit darker, and then I Like You a Lot is just lighter. And it's not because they're like, you know, drying faster, it's just the way it is. So I'll swatch I Like You a Lot first. And you could just see that I Like You a Lot is just lighter and Very Irresistible is just a tad bit darker. So I feel like I Like You a Lot is more like it leans on a very white pastel kind of color, and then Very Irresistible leans on like a muted pastel purple with like hints of a little bit of blue. I know this is behind a blue background, but it is a little bit more purple, and I hope you guys can see that in my mom's video when I post her using Very Irresistible as her acrylic color. So thank you guys all for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this mini unboxing or like little haul, and I hope you guys enjoyed the comparisons that I did. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Sorry I haven't posted in a while, but I don't know, haven't been inspired or something. But yeah, until next time. Bye!